Hello, my name is Oyewumi Isaac Ayomide, popularly known as Lord Rock. Welcome to Lord Rock Tech Solution YouTube channel. In our today's section, we'll be discussing everything about NFT. And the main subject we'll be talking about is introducing the newest trend in cryptocurrency, which is NFT. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that in our next video you won't able to miss any of them, and it will makes you serious about step one after the other or what we are going through about this uh NFT projects. Now, what are we discussing about? What is NFT? Full meaning of NFT is non-fungible token. Non-fungible token. So what is that non-fungible token? Is a financially security consisting of digital data stored in blockchain. Like, let me just break it down because this you are watching video, and I will advise you so as for you to learn more. You will have a website to visit as well. You can visit this onlinemark.com so that you understand what this NFT is all about. But in short, NFT is like a digital asset. Listen, not even like, it's a digital asset. NFT is a digital asset that represents reward, which means NFT as a digital asset that represents reward objects, which means I can have a flash drive in my hands and I can come up with a plan that, okay, this flash drive, I want to sell it on NFT marketplace. That is what? That is NFT. And some objects that is trading now on NFT marketplace are objects like art, music, in-game items, and video. They are bought and sold online using cryptocurrency. So once anywhere you heard about NFT, which means they are discussing or they are talking about something reward, something reward, that is what that is represent that they represent it on NFT market as a what? As a digital asset. I'm trying to break this thing down so that you'll be able to understand, because this video is for beginners. This video is for beginners. And NFT marketplace now has been going way to the extent that the marketplace currently is going up to like $41,000, that $41 million. Let me just say that $41 million. $41 million. That's the marketplace of that NFT right now. So please and please, if you don't understand this what I'm saying very well, just go straight to Online Mark in our website. You will find the content which is introducing the newest trend in cryptocurrency, which is NFT. So take your time and read it very well. You will get everything through. Now, uh, let's go to the next steps. Let's go to the next steps. Let's go to the next steps. That's what are the benefits of using them. Now, in this, let me go straight to the website. Let me go straight to the website. It says NFT are popping all over the place in cryptocurrency community. And in recent months, the popularity of NFT has been overwhelmed. And why the great news for NFT was a small drop in popularity from May to May 2019, which means NFT has been a very, and the benefit of using NFT is number one, security. Number two, that's most especially about the security. I would say a lot of things about this security is that as a graphic designer, I can come up with a NFT something reward, and that's what I mean about the reward is I design a graphics, I design a art now. That art I post it on my social media. Immediately I post it on my social media, someone else took it and post it. But on that art, there is nothing like my name, my contact info or something else. That person can claim it. But when it comes to NFT and I post my artwork on blockchain tech, on blockchain on NFT marketplace, maybe for sale, maybe I list it for sale or something, nobody can claim it. Which means fans, you can read this, fans of traditional art will be pleased to find out the NFT offer a viable alternative way to buy and sell, trade their artwork. On the other hand, those who are not collectors but they are looking to invest in an asset that's likely to grow as the blockchain technology continue to what? Continue to develop. Now let's go to number two. This is the most thing I've been discussing about the benefit of it. That owning a digital art means owning the right to your creation and being able to sell it. That your own artwork, it will always be your own artwork. Nobody on NFT marketplace is going to take it from you. That's the most benefit in trading NFT. That's it. And secret about this thing is like, how do people make money about it? Just chill. So once you understand about this introduction, then in our next video we'll be going through what's the logic behind this NFT. How do people make money in it? So now we discussed about challenges challenges of using NFT, and most challenges in using this NFT is that challenges in using NFT is that the only one challenges I can say to you is hackers. Hackers can take down your wallet. Hackers can tell all these scam stuff or everything. They can take down your wallet. And if you have to secure it, then there is so many ways you can secure your wallet. There is so many ways you can secure your wallet. Most especially, your face word is your number one priority. You have to save it very well. Don't save it your email address. Don't just keep it somewhere. Just keep it safe. I won't say more than that because that's the main cocoa that hackers will first look for. And the last one is possible applications of non-fungible tokens. Applications of NFT actually is go wide. It go wide, but applications of NFT is for you to start NFT. For you to start, like maybe you have a project you want to sell, you have maybe you buy artwork from someone else, so you also want to place it or something. Number one, you will need wallet because we are talking about digital currency. We are talking about digital assets. So how can you get access to it? You need wallet. You need to know what NFT marketplace means. You need to know about some crypto network. Like there is difference between Ethereum network and Solana network. So all these things get their own specific terms. Do you get it now? So in our next video, I will look up to the content and I will explain what they mean. And if you are new to crypto as well, I will advise you, I will advise you to read about all you really need to know about cryptocurrency. All you really need to know about cryptocurrency. So you can go through that as well. And last thing I will say about this thing is subscribe. Please, you can see that I even included that. Do this. I'm not commanding you, but you have the right to do it because it will benefit you as well. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will be able to get some skills because in our next video as well, I want to publish about the most three high skills you need to learn about that can bring you more income. And maybe you can share to your friends, and if you like, so you can visit the website and join our YouTube channel for updates. Visit onlinemark.com. Visit onlinemark.com. This is our YouTube channel. You can see that we are just growing, and thanks to everyone supporting my channel. Thanks to everyone that's supporting my channel. So That's everything. That's everything. I will just have to appreciate you, and you can check the description as well under this video to see some, maybe you need some links, or you don't want to bother yourself visiting the website. So direct link to Telegram, direct link to the content, it is like that, you can find it there. So thanks you. We'll see you next time.